Red River, y'all know what it is. This one's for my bro. Bratu Mokumaro. From distant shores our ancestors sailed, through oceans roar their courage prevailed. Beneath Korombamba's towering might, we built our home, embraced the light. Above Kalekana, Nanjio Ashil like a father, a place where the 14 provinces of Fiji unite. Our home gleams with radiant sight. From dust, hearts of fire we rise. Through stormy skies, our spirit flies. Clans of Ariata, true. Oh, hospitality flows in every hand. One talk stronger than ocean sand. From 14 provinces, voices blend. California pride shall never end. Hands joined firm, we craft every dream. Voices are firm, our heritage supreme. Songs echo through mountains and bays. Stories retold in eternal praise. Watching lands we claim, the women defend, relentless as flame. Only tried marches, top gun stands tall, inside state answers, communities call. From dust, hearts of fire we rise. Through stormy skies, oh yeah, our spirit flies. Clans of Ariata, flows in every region. One took stronger than ocean sand. From 14 provinces, voices blend. California pride shall never end. Golden sun kisses river and stone. Every family feels fully known. Cribs gather, laughter fills the air. Friendship and honor beyond compare. Falcons swoop, shadows dance on sand. Sharks patrol every surrounding strand. Home calls, ancestral hearts sing. Forever united, together we cling. From dust, hearts of fire we rise. Through stormy skies, oh yeah, our spirit flies. Clans of Ariata, Bali Molitu, true. Hospitality flows in every hand. One took stronger than ocean sand. From 14 provinces, voices blend. California pride shall never end. From dust, hearts of fire we ride. Through stormy sky, our spirit flies. Hospitality flows in every hand. One talk stronger than ocean sand. From 14 provinces, voices blend. California pride shall never end.